Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new home care layout pack we think you'll enjoy. Let's go ahead and check it out. If you're looking to set up a website for home care, you'll definitely want to check out this home care layout pack for Divi. This elegant layout pack contains colorful and unique layouts that'll help you promote various home care services. And you can do it with style and professionalism. Plus, you can enjoy all the beautiful images that come with this layout pack for free as well. And it comes with a dedicated services page and service page, which are definitely key to having a great home care website. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new home care layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we can start adding this home care layout pack to our Divi website, we must first authenticate our Elegant Themes subscription. This will allow us to have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options. Then go to the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. And now we're ready to start the process of creating all of our pages and then adding each of those corresponding pre-made layouts from the home care layout pack to each of those pages. To start, go to Pages, Add New. We'll add our first page, which will be our home page. So let's give our page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and find the Home Care Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. We want the home page, so let's go ahead and select the home page, and then we'll click the Use This Layout button right here. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, we can of course make any edits we like. But for right now, let's go ahead and save it as a draft or publish it. And we'll want to continue the same process to create the rest of the pages we need, and then add the rest of those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages as well. Once all of the pages have been added, we're ready to add a primary menu to our website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Let's go ahead and give our menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see a list of all the pages we've just created. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize these menu items however you like. And once you're done, don't forget to set the display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. And once our menu has been created, we're ready for the final step, which is to create a static home page for our website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under the home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, let's go ahead and add our home page we created, and then click Save Changes. And now our new website is up and running with the new home care layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.